Pvt Power, Smart Solar Farms. A physical limitation of a photovoltaic panel is that it loses efficiency when heating up above 25 degrees centigrade. The thermo-absorption panel is capable to absorb the heat of a full surface. By combining a PV panel and the TAC, a PVT hybrid panel is produced, the Pvt FA panel. Our Pvt Power Ellipse Trackers has 30 square meters production surface. We increase the electrical energy output by 33% through the patented cooling system compared to existing photovoltaic installations. The innovative ellipse trackers increase the electrical energy output by an additional 30% compared to fixed installed photovoltaic panels. Pvt Power is converting the thermal heat into electrical energy with a 40% conversion rate. This is achieved through converting thermal energy from the cooling process of the Pvt FA panels into electrical energy. Several Pvt Power Ellipse Trackers connected together form a Pvt Power Energy Island. We use the Pvt Power Thermo Management Model to create a constant heat of 90 degrees Celsius and heat up air to 90 degrees Celsius. The heated up air gets then converted through the cyclone generator module into electricity. Numerous Pvt Power Energy Islands can be connected to reach the desired output of a Pvt Power solar energy farm. The Pvt Power Energy Islands allow to be connected directly to any power grid, where the electricity is entered into the local electrical network for everyone's use. Pvt Power can run their electrical supply for 24 hours directly without the use of any batteries. The Pvt Power Thermo Management Model maintains the 90 degrees Celsius moreover during nighttime, so the cyclone generator can run non-stop. The energy island generates an electrical output of at least 50 kilowatt, and the remaining thermal energy can be utilized to gain drinking water. The residual heat of the cyclone generator process can be utilized for low-temperature desalination process. 24-hour centralized monitoring. The data of each installed Pvt Power Energy Island around the world is monitored from Switzerland and serviced locally. This allows real-time surveillance and fast servicing reaction time. Pvt Power AG uses synergies of different geographical locations to thrive planning, coordination, and production with Pvt Power Swiss Standard of Excellence. We can install our Pvt Power Energy Islands on every stable location and promote a decentralized energy supply with no big infrastructure needed, all monitored centrally. By applying a closed-circuit chain value of sophisticated technologies, we create synergies of physical laws to exponentiate our efficiency up to 3 times compared to a photovoltaic panel. Pvt Power installations utilize only 1/4 of the land space compared to existing photovoltaic installations with the same output. Pvt Power creates electricity through photovoltaic and thermal energy, producing electricity with 0 CO2 emission, and the Pvt Power technology is 90% recyclable. Pvt Power technology supplies electricity for 24 hours a day from solar energy. Pvt Power, smart solar farms, become part of tomorrow's solution.